Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You're welcome to Lesson 3, Week 7. This is City-Y International School, Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. And this is Primary 2 English Studies presented by Mrs. Adegboyega. And this is Week 7, Lesson 3, Grammar. And the topic for today is the apostrophe. The apostrophe. The apostrophe is a sign used to show possession and contracted form of two words. As you can see in the brackets, that is the sign apostrophe. That is apostrophe. It is a mark or a sign. You can see it in the brackets. That is what we call apostrophe. Apostrophe can be used to show possession, and it can also be used to contract two words, just like we did in our previous passage. Week 6, Lesson 3 of last week. So I said the apostrophe shows that something belongs to a person. It may belong to a person, it may be human, it may be an animal. So the apostrophe is used to show that this thing is a belonging to a particular person. Apostrophe that shows possession is shown when the owner's name is written, followed by an apostrophe. That's the mark in the bracket, and a S, then the owned thing. What I'm trying to explain here is you want to show possession. The person's name will be written. Then you have an apostrophe, then added by an S. Then you now write the owned thing, the thing that belongs to the person. Now let's look at this example. We have number 1. This bag belongs to Kehinde. Now I want to use my apostrophe there. I want to use my apostrophe to show you that this bag belongs to Kehinde, that is possession. It is now written as, you can see Kehinde there, Kehinde. You can see Kehinde. Then you can see the small sign there, that is the apostrophe. Added is the S. Then you now have the thing owned by Kehinde, and that is the bag. So I have, it is Kehinde's bag. The bag belongs to Kehinde. I have used that sign and the S to show that the bag belongs to Kehinde, and this is what we refer to as the use of apostrophe to show possession. Number 2, the pen is for Ogbe, telling us that Ogbe owns the pen. It is Ogbe's pen. You can see Ogbe, OGBE, apostrophe and S. Then the pen, which is the thing Ogbe owns. So you can see Ogbe, the sign, the apostrophe, then the S, then the pen he owns. So it becomes, it's Ogbe's pen. Then number 3, the book belongs to the girl, telling you that a girl owns a book. It's now written thus: it is the girl's book. The girl is the owner. You have your sign you have the S showing possession. The girl, the apostrophe, followed by an S, then the owned thing, which is the book. So you have girl's book. It is the girl's book. Number four, the food belongs to the cats. The food belongs to the cats. It is the cat's food. The cat owns the food. You can see the cat, C-A-T. You can see my apostrophe and the S. Then you have the food owned by the cat. So you have cat's food, showing that it's the cat that owns the food. It is the cat's food. This is how we use our apostrophe to show possession. Apostrophe is used to show possession when you have the person, the owner of the thing written. Apostrophe is followed, then followed by S, letter S, then the owned thing. As you can see here, Coindays bag. Likewise, Ogbe, apostrophe S, then the owned thing, which is the pen. So you have Ogbe's pen. Ogbe's pen. Then you have number 3, the girl's book. The girl is the owner. You have an apostrophe, the S, then the owned book. The owned thing, which is the book. So you have girl's book. Number 4, you have the cat's food. The cat's food. The cat owns the food. You have the cat, the apostrophe, followed by S, then the food. So this is how we show possession, by using the apostrophe. So here I rest my case. I say Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.